My name is Regina Mustafa.
Okay, who are you going for today?
I'm going for Drua.
Drua.
Yes.
What player in particular are you looking for?
Masi.
Masi. Yes, Masi is also scored the most tries
Yes.
this season.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
So do you think he can get in another few tries?
Pardon? I hope they play like we do in the Fijian way. That'll get them in this weather because we used to play that kind in the villages and all that.
Any advice for those who are still at home, still
Please do
double-minded?
come down. Please do come and support the team. This is our last game, so please try and make your way down to the stadium.
Who are you with?
My husband and my grandson.
Okay, sir. So you'll be cheering your hardest for Masi.
Yes, and for the Drua team.
I think this is not my first time meeting you.
Yes, you interviewed him. Yes, George.
George from guessing Watilo.
Yes.
Yeah, see, I remember you guys. Okay, all the best to you.
Thank you very much. Yes, go Drua, go.
My name is Mareta Fong, and this is my nephew Michael Kirite.
I see that you decked out in Drua colors. That's what caught my attention this morning. Yes, this morning. Did you just get some food before?
Yes, some sustenance before we head out to the game later this afternoon.
So, since you're already in Drua colors, it's no use asking what team you support. Who's your favorite Drua player?
Celestino Rabutomanda.
Okay, so he's playing fullback today.
Yes.
He's playing fullback. He's played fullback a couple of times. How do you think he'll do at fullback?
The last time we watched him here at the stadium against the Hurricanes, he did really well. He's upped his game a lot. So today we are looking forward to the same kind of delivery or even better.
What is your message to other people that are still contemplating whether they should come down because the weather is not so good? I see that you brought your umbrella as well, so you're pretty much ready for this game. For people still double-minded.
We just want to encourage people to be Drua fans in all weather, be it rain or shine. Just be here for the team because this is an important game for them. They have to win this.
Any relations to Celestino?
Yes, Celestino is my nephew from the Taviuni side. So his family, I know his grandmother will be at the grounds and his family is all there today to support him.
So as you said, being Drua fans in anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about those who are still sitting on the fence, like saying, I might get wet? What do you say to that?
This is the last home game for them. Get wet, why not?
And this is also a do or die game for Drua.
Yes,
we
absolutely.
We make it into the playoffs.
Yeah, in the second year.
Yeah, the second year. So what do you think about that?
I think that would be just awesome and it'll make getting wet worth it.
Thanks for giving us some time today. All the best at the game.
All the best to Drua.
Drua need to win this game.
They need to win to make it to the quarterfinals.
Question is, who are you going with?
My uncle.
Oh, you're with your uncle?
Yeah.
Okay, so just you and your uncle?
Yes.
Where will you guys be sitting?
And grandstand.
Grandstand, how far up?
In the middle.
Oh, in the middle?
Yeah.
Got your umbrella?
Yeah.
Any message to those fans who are still double-minded about coming out?
Just make it there because it's a crucial game. The team needs the support. They should be there to support. The weather is always like this. So all the best to the team.
Itu aja tako.
Itu aja tako. Boleh nak itu aja tako?
Belum nak.
Nak kau plan ni dolak cuma ibu bol na single ni kuat.
Iya, saja.
Tokon betul ni kuat.
Iya.
Dong na nomu ni player nindo talitaka.
Kita ngol cimengo na cimengo single ji ninro gambacu.
Iya.
Tungol cimengo na ukuni ni to ngon gitu cimi ni rents. Pinro. Matu batil jowi.
Membalindo Drua bimama tertu.
Drua bimama tertu ngasa lagu tal tengah mengona single ji rents sama ta sigi gitu terus.
Raman tanan nomu reina gitu ni po. Dore tanan raki wakai sige tokan itu namak. Pata pana bibol kacini kayo reno tukuna.
Reina ko na doon gitu binak masulian na cimnin Drua. Ya na total ngana lain na pinakatan na lagu cimin ko na red surtu nongonin ni bici surtu gichikin.
Right.
Non rutun rakin Drua, non rutun rakital cingan ngonis.
Okay.
Oi rangan na pangamay balar sar cumay. Doon na ni boss ni di boleh biar merah misar sara. Kala ni tau to na ba ni reda ni babaro to may bat kinan ni view. Ani do to na boss ni view experience.
Iyo kerenda cita nga pagukunan ruah. Cita katalanga na Reds, boleh tam gitu kena katalanga na sulini ko na Reds. Sa uno ni pinakatunan gitu na sini.
Set. Tak.
Nawal.